My name is Mike and I own Mike's Carburetor Parts. I'm doing a series on the Rochester 2G, more commonly known as the 2Jet. That's a Rochester 2-barrel carburetor. They used a bazillion of them on General Motors cars. And, excuse me, I'm doing this video in different parts. I don't know, I think this is a third part maybe. And anyway, excuse me, I'm putting the top of the carburetor onto the float bowl here. We already did the float bowl, and I'm going to put the accelerator pump together here. And what we have, we've got our little lever here that goes in. You see a little flat spot on it that will fit the flat spot here, and we put it in an approximate position where it's going to end up. And okay, so I'm going to slide this on. Okay, you see I got the big ear on the inside. Tighten it up. Okay, it's had a clip on it, but I like to use these little horseshoe things. I think they're the clips tend to come off. I've had that happen just putting them together, but I think it's normal to use these. I probably should have put this on before I put the float on, because it's just in the way now. The float is, that is. Alright, so let's squeeze that together a little bit. Just enough so they don't come off. Let's see, just a tad bit more here. Okay, good. Alright, so there you go. Not hitting anything, nice and free. Alright, so you see how that's going to work the accelerator pump. Alright, so we're not going to force anything. Make sure your float pin isn't sticking out where it hits the carburetor side. And I'm going to ease our accelerator pump in there. We don't want to curl up the cup. Okay. There we go. Okay. Well, I worked the accelerator pump a little bit. I'm going to pull it out a little. I want to make sure it didn't curl up the cup. Looks good. Okay. Alright, we're looking good. Alright, so let's get got the real long screw that goes right here. Get it started. A couple screws started just so it doesn't jump out on me. And we're going to tighten them all down in sequence once we get them all started. screw. Yeah, which I seem to have, oh, here we go. Alright. By the way, I don't know if you notice in my videos, I use these big plastic cookie sheets I found at the dollar store or something, and they sure work great for carburetors. They got the lips around the edges so the little parts don't fall on the floor as they used to when I just did it right on the flat bench. So, and plus I can pick the whole thing up and put it to the side, you know. Really works great for carburetors. Actually, anything small you're working on. Okay, so we got them all started. So we're going to start from the middle. Sometimes on your sheet there will be a sequence, but basically, like anything, start in the middle, work your way out. Get them snug. Okay, right there, there. Okay. You don't have to reef on these. Just snug is good. Just a little past snug, I guess. Gas is not going to leak out of that gasket. It doesn't go that high unless it's flooding out. Okay, so we just start the middle, worked our way out, tighten it so we don't warp everything. All right. So there we got the top with the bottom. So I'm going to turn it off now and get ready for the next video. Thank you for watching.